This is slanted. Today's video, he has asked me, let's try that again. In the following video, I am meeting up with my friends. Nope. In the following video, I am meeting up with my good. Nope.
Thank you for doing another trick for us.
You're very welcome. We'll be on YouTube soon.
Special thanks to Barbie and Ken for helping make this video possible. We've reached the part of the show where Miles of Magic usually steals someone else's quote to say goodbye. To end this video... Special thanks to Barbie and Ken for helping make this video possible. Special thanks to... Special thanks to... Why?